Hi, my name's John Pagano and welcome to the Sunseeker 3050 walkaround. This single super slide floor plan measures 32 feet long and sleeps 6 to 8 people. It boasts a huge 60 by 80 queen walk-around bed and a huge vanity in the bathroom. Let's take a look.